Hello, guys and girls. This is Lekshman. Welcome all of you to Global Coding Cohort. So this is the problem statement. The task is to find given we have got a sorted list of any size. The target as input. There are two inputs. One is a sorted list. Another one is a number. Then our task is to find the number of pairs whose sum is equal to the target given. So this pairs here we have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when our target is 5, what about the combination? That means a pair means two pair, okay? This plus this. Any two number. Any two. Any two, okay? Okay. So here you get 5. We will get 5 if we add 1 and 4. Then we will get 5 when we add 2 and 3. So now we have two pairs that gives our target sum. So similarly for the second test case, we have the same input list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But our target is now 3. So in what are all the ways we get 3? Like, when we sum two numbers, when we add two numbers, we get 3 when we add 2 and 3. Any other possibilities? So there is no other possibilities. Therefore, our output is of is equal to 1. I hope you have understood this problem statement. Take the same. I want to convey one more point here. Uh, when we when we add two numbers, uh, okay, let's take a second test case. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3. Listen, our target is 5. So in this case, 1 plus 2 equal to, sorry, the target is 3. Test case 3. So in our test case, in our second test case, our target is 3. So in this case, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And we can also say 2 plus 1 equal to 3. They both are same numbers. Therefore, we should not consider this. We should not consider this two pair, but we should consider this both scenarios one pair. Whether that is 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. That should be considered as one pair. Sorry. Going to access the numbers present in the list using their index values. As we have to compare two numbers using one more loop also, that is J. Going to loop over all the elements as pairs. Here you can observe one thing. I'll show you for input of length 5. Here you can see these are consider these numbers as index. Okay, consider these numbers as index. What you can observe here is 0 means 0 and 0. 0 and 0 means these all numbers are index, going to act as an index. So in this case, 1 is going to be added with 1, and this particular scenario will be like this 1 plus 1. That means this is actually not a pair. This is actually same number, isn't it? That means any other number should be there, not the same number. Got it? So this should not happen. Then another problem that we see over here is 0, 1, 1, 0 are same. The point which I conveyed you at this point. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1 are same. So it is enough to take any one of the pair, isn't it? So therefore, so what I'm going to do here is going to place here. I want 0 and 1. That means in the first iteration, I want 0 and 1 to be here. I want the I to be 0 and j to be 1. I want this and I want that to start with 1. But if I place 1 over there, I'll get the initial case I will get it. But later on, 1, 2, 2, 1. This duplication is still this that problem still exists. So what I'm going to do here is going to add I plus 1. And now see all combinations are at least one time 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay, you will understand that if I give a very small uh, sample. So here you can see 0 means first one. Okay, these numbers are index. Okay, don't misunderstand it as a input that is used in it. These are these are index of those given numbers. So that means zeroth element and first element. That means zeroth index element. Okay, first element is 0, 1, 0, 2, and what is the other combination? 1, 2. Got it? So when we say in this, when we okay, I will access it and show you the real number. I will read the numbers from the input list. This okay. So here you can see 0, 1. That means 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. If we want to make other type of combinations, then we have to reverse it. That means 2, 1, 3, 1. Likewise, we will have to do it. Actually, that should not be done. That's the main point, isn't it? That's why we added this I plus 1 over here. Got it? So now we can find if the This is our target, isn't it? If any pair sum is equal to a target, then we have to count that is equal to target or row pairs number of pairs so every time when this condition becomes false, this adds one number to number of pairs. So finally we will get our final number of pairs for which the sum of it is equal to our target. Now let's put for this input. We will get 1 over here. Is that correct? 1, 2, 3. Here, only possibility is 2 plus 3. So it is correct. We will make this as a function. We will make this a function. We will pass different uh, variables. Okay. So different test cases. I just name this as a task. Okay. Wait, okay, very simple name for it. Name task. Okay. Number of pairs. So what are all the input? Sorry, not task. Put list, then target. These two has to be passed over. So function is ready now. Yes. So fine. Target is ADR. Target is 5, and the next input 1, 2. We'll simply give we'll simply give 5, or let's give 10. No problem. First we gave 5 isn't. Now let's give 5. So these are the two test cases. Uh, let's just simply print. Okay, it will return the number of pairs. Click on put list target. So these are the output. For 10 we have 4 pairs. For 5 we have 2 pairs. That means 2 plus 3, then 1 plus 4. Next, here for 10 we have 4 plus 6, then uh, 3 plus 7, 2 plus 8, 9 plus 1. So therefore we have 4 pairs for 10. I hope all of you understood this problem statement and solution. You can sorry, okay, I just now I noticed the video issue. I'll fix it soon. I don't know from when this screen disappeared. I don't know how I will explain it. I explain it again. What is about it? Our task is to find the number of pairs whose sum is equal to the target given. Any two numbers, but not the same number. Okay, there should be two other numbers, but not the same number itself. Got it? That means 1 plus 2, then 2 or 2 plus 1 are same. So we have to consider any one of the pair because as the number as in both pairs, the numbers are same. So we have to consider that as one only. So therefore, we have reduced. Okay, we have written a function like called task, and we are getting input list and target as input. Initially, we are giving our number of pairs as 0. Then we are finding the length of the given list of input. Then to loop over all the elements using a nested loop, I loop and j loop, so that we can get combinations of numbers. But as we do not want these conditions like this to get executed, we are avoiding that by using I plus 1 this j loop. So we just get only a unique pairs of numbers without these kinds of repetition. 1, 2, and 2 are not same. So when you put I plus 1, these problems gets eliminated. Not just this, same number addition, same number pairs will also get eliminated from the looping. After that, in the body of the loop, whenever the pairs, that means we will get some type of some index number over I and j. So when the element present in those I and j, when the sum of it is equal to the target, we will add 1 to a number of pairs variable. So whenever this happens, this keeps adding 1 by 1. But finally, after the loop is over, it will become the count to us. So here we have passed a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and target is 5. For that, uh, and really the possibility of getting 5 is 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. These two pairs will return 5 to us. So therefore, we have got 2 as output over here. And for the next test case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the target is 10. For this case, the possibilities are 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6. So there are 4 pairs whose sum is equal to our target 10. So therefore, we have got 4 as output. So now I hope this solution is clear for all of you. If you still have any doubt, uh, you can just type QA in the comments. I will understand and start the Telegram meeting after this live. So you can directly talk to me and clear all your doubts. Now let's move to the next problem. Do you want to start the next problem or shall we start the next problem tomorrow? I think even if I start, sometimes it may take more than half an hour. So it would have to sit after 9. Okay. So better, we will start the next problem tomorrow. Uh, and that's it for now. Thank you guys. See you with another problem tomorrow. Until then, bye bye.